Okay, in this final video, we are finished with our recording. So there, I just matched the song up, and I just like, trimmed the song down. And then if you see, there's like a little almost like playhead like ball thing there. Once the cursor changes, that's a fade in and fade out, so it'll start to get quieter as you go. But anyway, so to export, you go back up to File, and you're gonna hit Share, and then you're gonna hit Export File. Okay. Go to Settings first. Everything should be what we want, but I had you create it in Apple ProRes 4444, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit that, and you'll see like the file size jumps way up, but that's okay. That's what we want. All right, and then you'll hit Next, and then you're gonna make sure it's the right file name and everything. Make sure it's getting saved to the desktop, and then you just hit Save, and then the video exports out and shares out. And you can see the wheel up here is going. It's at 27% now, so it goes pretty quick. If it's a longer video, obviously it'll take longer. So I'm just gonna wait for a minute until it's done, and then it'll just be sitting on the desktop. To turn in a video like this, the next step would be to get it into your Google Drive. Okay, do not under any circumstances upload it directly to Classroom. It takes a ridiculously long period of time. Okay, and it still has to go to Drive first, so upload it to Drive first. All right, so it's just sitting right here on the desktop. I would just drag that into my Drive or into any of my folders, and it would start uploading. And it's like, since I'm at my house, it might take a little bit longer, but for you at school, it should take no more than 10 minutes, let's say, probably more like 5. All right, so that's gonna upload. While it's uploading, I can watch it back. Don't start watching it back and then upload it, because you're wasting your time. Okay, but now you can see what the final thing looks like. So, and I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but and again, is this perfect? No. I mean, I was doing it while doing tutorials. It was just, something quick and easy to do. And if you wanted to put in like black solids and stuff from time to time here, to like add some intensity or do the color changing and stuff, you're welcome to Google search like how to do any of this stuff. You know what I mean? You don't need me to show you how to do it. You just have to have a vision, and then you go to Google or YouTube and execute that vision. All right, so that's going to do it. Hopefully you were successful with all of this, and you got a video turned into Classroom. Thanks.